How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a gorgeous 71 Plymouth Duster 340. It's painted Hemi Orange with the black accents. Beautiful, beautiful car. This car's had a complete rotisserie restoration, top and bottom. All the panel fitment, everything on this car is very, very nice. And this is an all original panel car. It's supposed to only have 26,000 miles on it, but don't have a real guarantee on that. Any of these old cars, that's very hard to document. All the bumpers have been replaced. Grill's original, looks excellent. Got your power steering, factory air conditioning. It's got a Demon 670 carb on it, Holly or 4-barrel. See how clean the corners of the doors and everything are in this car. The jambs are just slick. They have done a aftermarket stereo system in the dash. Did a very nice job mounting it in there. AM, FM, CD. Got the factory buckets in the console. See inside the trunk's all very nice. Got an aftermarket jack there mounted. A little easier to work rather than the old bumper jacks. You see the Go Wing mounted up on that deck lid. Now they've done a really cool thing. They've had the rear wheels made 8-inch, but look factory. You know, helps fill up that big wheel well in the back of these cars. Got original 340 exhaust manifolds on it, power steering, air conditioning. Car looks really cool with the scoops on the hood and the Go Wing. Sounds real good out the exhaust, out the back. Good looking car. These cars are getting hard to find in original panel cars this nice. check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.